Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, September 18th, 2018. Taking a look here at our homework for this evening. In math, there is no homework as we had our Module 2 quiz today. In science, the only homework that we have is we have our metric quiz on Friday. We need to make sure that you are going and learning the different prefixes for the metric units that we are doing, and make sure that you're studying the chart that was created in class on Monday. Social studies, you need to study for our government quiz on Thursday. All of your notes can be found in the notes section of Google Classroom that we are discussing democracy, and then also monarchy, dictatorship, all that jazz. Make sure you're reading through the notes. In language arts, we've got a writer's notebook, chapter 5, mind pictures. Make sure that you are going through and adding a picture to your writer's notebook tonight, and then you are also writing a simile, which is comparing two things using like or as, and then also a metaphor, which is comparing two things, that you go and add that to the slide tonight to describe the picture. As for literature, Seed Folks Vocabulary is due on Friday, and also the Honors Lit class, you do have an article of the week that is due on Friday as well. That's going to be it for this evening. Make it a good one.